How to print Google Calendar with event details. So you gotta put in mind that if you wanna print the entire calendar itself, then details of a specific event won't be shown. This is most likely because details can usually be too long or it just won't fit a single box. So in our case, whatever is shown over here will be the only section printed. You will be able to print a individual event as so, and the event details will be available. But again, if you're doing it as a whole calendar like this, you won't be able to see the event details. So you'll only get the time and the title and the month of the calendar. But of course, depends on what date you went for, maybe day, week, month, or year. But again, you'll only be able to print with event details if you go ahead and do it individually. So let's go to a specific event. Let's say this one. So we have the details over here. It's a little long. So go ahead to the top right, which is the triple dot button or the options, and press on print. So doing this will pretty much convert it to a sort of individual page. So you should be able to use this individual event to get its own description. But that's pretty much one of the only ways you can print Google Calendar event with its details. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.